Hello, it's Filip Jackowiak, and in this film I will show you how to register on the broker IC Market. We are already on the main page. Click in the upper right corner to open account, and a little bit lower here we have to fill informations like your name, email address that you can use and contact the broker, phone number, of course, your country, and click next. Another step is to choose which type of account you want to have, personal or company account. Next you should fill your date of birth, address, city, state and zip code. And click this if the broker has been presented to you by a friend or somebody else. If so, the broker will mark it. There is a friend code, ID code, but make sure it's his code if he gave you the information about the broker. Click next. Another step is to set up a trading account, and it will be a platform choice from which you use to set up transactions. It can be MetaTrader 4 or 5, CTrader. I personally recommend MetaTrader 4. I use it myself, and if you want to use the Forex automats, we simply recommend it. The account type is next, true ECN or standard account. If you are a beginner in the Forex market, you should choose standard account. ECN account when you are in market for a long time. Finally, select the base currency. This is the currency in which you will pay capital to broker. Then you can choose to receive the newsletter or not. In the last step, we answer the question about your trading experience, regardless of whether you are a beginner, intermediate or advanced. At the end you need to choose a question that will help you log in or for some later operations. You can choose one of the questions asked here, answer them and click on the acceptance of rules. If you click it, the content that you can see will appear. So much about this recording. That's all for now.